some kind of like little canyon here. Alright guys, so we're getting close to the area. There's something pretty spectacular in front of us. Alright guys, check this out. Whoa. We gotta check this out. Wow. That's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Gotta get to it. Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are here at Pickle Springs. I have never been here before, so I have no idea what to expect. The only thing I do know is that this trail is about just under 2 miles. So it's not a very long hike, but I'm hoping that there is some really neat stuff along the way. Alright, so this is the map of everything, so it looks like it has quite a few places that we'll be able to visit. So, let's get going. Man, for almost the end of May, it is 62 degrees out today, and it's a little chilly, not gonna lie. I was not expecting it to be so cold this morning. I don't know what the high is today, but good grief. Oh, it wouldn't be a video without a downed tree, would it, guys? When I pulled up in the parking lot, there were quite a few cars here, so if we do get to some areas, I hope they're not crowded with a bunch of people. They're kind of a bummer, but I guess we'll see, right? Alright, well, we have come to the first coolest thing I have probably seen in a long time, and I have to show you guys this, so check this out. Some kind of like little canyon here. Whoa. Wow. This is pretty neat, guys. I was not expecting this, and you bet I brought my flashlight, so we're gonna look in here and see what we got. Okay, well, I didn't bring my flashlight with me. I thought I did, but nope. But there's not really a whole lot to see, guys. Really doesn't go that deep. So, what a neat little area, though. Wow. I do not know how far this goes, but it is definitely freaking cool. I'm pretty sure this is part of the trail, so yeah, it's probably gonna go a little ways. Fortunately, my people in the parking lot are in these areas, so I'm kind of like holding back and letting them go ahead so they don't get in the video. What exactly caused all of this, I have no idea. I don't know if it was just a creek at one point or what, but it's definitely formed a cool area of the park, that's for sure. I will say, it is definitely a secluded area. There's not a lot of traffic noise out here, so that is really nice. Now, sometimes I fly through these trails And today on this one, I'm just gonna take my time and enjoy it, especially since the temperature out here is absolutely insane. It is just lovely to be out here today. It's not blazing hot and it's not super cold. It's just really, really, really nice. Neat little area, but I don't think there's a whole lot to it. Looks like maybe some tiny little cave area. Yeah, there's not much to it. Never mind, we'll just turn around. It must be bring your kid to the park day today, because there are a family behind me and a family in front of me with all kinds of kids. So, I don't know, I'm kind of just trying to steer clear of all of them, to be honest with you. It's my time for peace and quiet out here. And since summer's rolling around and all the kids are going to be getting out of school, it will be a lot less quiet out in these woods, that's for sure. Also, I just want to take the time to explain All Trails app is badass. Right now, it is telling me that there is something coming up on this trail, and I'm really excited to see what it is. But it's cool. The app has all the neat attractions, let's put it that way, and it alerts you when you get close so that you don't miss out. So I think that's pretty cool. Now I am trying to hang tight just a little bit up here because that family with the kids is up here, and I don't feel like dealing with all that when I'm getting ready to see what we have up around this bend here. So frustrating, but it is what it is. We're getting close to the area. There's something pretty spectacular in front of us, but I want to go left because there's something down that way too. So let's go check this out first, and then we'll go check out that thing in front of us. Oh wow. Alright guys, check this out. Some massive rocks. Whoa. We gotta check this out. So let's try to walk through all this. Should we go left, straight, right? Which way? Straight? Okay. Whoa. Wow. Oh, this is cool. Whoa. This kind of reminds me of Elephant Rocks. I see a trail leading down that way, and then there's what looks to be maybe a cave. Not 100% sure. First, we're gonna go check out the first attraction that I told you we were gonna see after we came down to this area. Looks like it's just more rock formations. Whoa, what's that? That's cool looking. Oh, wow. That's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I gotta get to it. Look at this, guys. Holy shit. This is awesome looking. Wow. Totally cool. Whoa. Pretty sweet. But not really much going on with some spider webs. Back to this though. This is really cool looking. I absolutely love this. Wow. How neat is that, guys? That's cool. That was awesome. Let's head down this trail and see if we can get to what looks to be some sort of cave, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. I can tell through the trees that there is a giant, how do I put this, dark hole, just barely through the trees, and I want to see what it is. Alright, so we're still in the rock formation area. I'm hoping this trail leads us to it, because it's starting to look like it doesn't. Like it's gonna veer off to another direction. When what we want to get to is right in front of us over here. But it looks like a pretty good distance to get to it. Alright, well I'm pretty sure this trail is going to take us right to it, so that excites me. Alright guys, we have come up to a little stream here, and where we want to go, way up there, Pickle Creek. What I want to do is get up there, and we gotta cross this, which I don't know. There's another family coming, so hopefully they can cross us while we fuck around up here. Alright guys, well, oh shit, this isn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Yikes. I don't even know if it's gonna be worth it. Well, shit. Oh man. Well, this definitely wasn't worth it. I don't know, you guys let me know. No, that wasn't worth it. I will say there's a lot of people starting to head into this place. I can hear all of them, so we are gonna get booking. A nice little stream right here. This is the rest of it. Alright, back to the trail. I'm gonna start moving a little quicker because I hear a shitload of people coming, so I don't want any part of that. There's a little tiny little bridge coming up. Kind of neat looking. I was really hoping for a cave back there of some sort. It looked a lot better from far away than it did up close. So, totally tricked me. Well, I think I finally got some separation between the families. Go and try and find that cave, but who knows? I haven't heard them in a while. So it looks to be down there in the creek that we just passed, or the stream. Seems to be a little cave down there, but I can actually see this one and it doesn't seem very cave-like. Oh boy, here we go. This is pretty cool as well. Wow. How cool is this? Alright, well, that's that. I'm sure in the winter we can probably walk in there, but not right now, so onward. Oh man. There's something straight ahead that I have to get to. Alright guys, so the trail does lead to this, but I have to show you this. Check this out. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This is the kind of stuff I'm looking for right here. Whoa. Wow. It's not a cave, but oh, you can hear my echo. Hell yeah. Shall we try to get in that corner down there? This is great. Go over here real quick, check out what's on this side. Probably nothing, but it never hurts to look. Not a good start. Almost fell. It looks like a collapse. Whoa. Yeah. That's a collapse. I don't know. Still pretty cool. Well, let's just try to get out of here. Well, we'll head back to the trail now. That was awesome. I really enjoyed that. There's some more area over here. Some more like, I don't know what you call them, overhangs. And here is where I believe we're on the other side of this, and this is where it all collapsed. Somewhere in this vicinity. Huh, I wonder what's up there. Well, I can't really see what's back there. But shall we? Oh well. I don't really see anything, so down we go. Well, I barely made it, but I did make it. That's all that matters, right? Let's get back on this trail and see what awaits. We have something coming up here that looks pretty sweet. Not sure exactly what it is, but it looks like it's gonna be cool. So let's go. First, I have to walk under this. Alright guys, here it is. Wow. How cool is this? Whoa. Not exactly sure what this area is called, but it is badass. Again, it reminds me of Elephant Rocks. It's just cool, man. I don't know how this forms like this, but whatever it is, totally neat. Just some spectacular rock formations. Well, that looks to be it for this area. I guess we'll head back on the trail and figure out what is next. I don't think there's too much left, but I could be wrong. Again, I've never been here, so I don't know what's around the corner waiting for us. So I got to thinking, making these videos, being out here just exploring, I hope it inspires you guys watching these videos to get out more and explore. I know everybody has different lives we live, so it's harder for others to get out, but when you do get that chance, I hope these videos help you get the motivation to go out and explore. There's probably so much in your areas that you don't know about that are tucked away in little parks and stuff that you can just find the All Trails map and get out in your area and just explore and have fun. That's why I make these videos. I have a blast being out here, finding new things. And again, I hope it's just a little bit of inspiration for you guys. It's a strange part of the trail. Huh. Whoa. I mean, check this area out. It's just so cool. I love the rock formations along here. It's absolutely stunning. Some kind of overhang up there, but we ain't getting to that. I'll tell you, these are some very steep drop-offs on that entire trail. I don't know if you can see them. They're way in there. Drop-offs on the trail were like 2 foot. So anybody that has trouble walking around, be careful on this part of the trail. Oh wow. Look how cool this is. That's pretty sweet. I love little stuff like this. All right, let's get back on the trail. I think that this trail is about over. I don't think that there's too much left along here. I could be wrong though. I'm wrong a lot. Wow. Whoa. All right. Well, I don't know how to get to this. We just climbed all that. Wasn't as bad as it looked. Wow. Cave up there. There ain't nobody getting to that. Huh. Well, it really doesn't seem like there's too much else over here. All right, well, there wasn't much to that now, was there? But it is a neat area. Looks like at some point it was some kind of viewing area, but not anymore. All right, guess we'll head back. That was a really cool area. I don't know where to go from here though. I feel like trail splits here. I think I'm gonna go straight. Yeah, we're gonna go straight. All right, guys. Well, it looks like I reached the end of this trail, so I think we're gonna wrap it up here. This was a fascinating trail. Right from the get-go, we saw something. It was really neat to see, and ever since I've been on this trail, there's always been something to see. So I highly recommend this trail. It's called Pickle Springs. If you're in the area here in Missouri, check it out. It is awesome. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a lot better than I expected it to be, and again, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did hiking it. So guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And as always, if you know somebody that likes this kind of stuff, share it. Y'all take care. God bless. Look at this shit. This place is popping. Holy cow. Glad we went when we did.